Cybertruck sightings are increasing rapidly. Every day there are at least few sightings of these trucks being transported on a trailer or being driven by Tesla employees. First Project Highland and now Cybertruck. Tesla might be onto something with these two. Well, I think it's definitely happening this fall. It's just a question of when now than if. Let's find out everything which has developed in Cybertruck space in the last couple of weeks. Before we dive in, I would love to welcome everyone to 11 Square EV. My name is AJ, and please consider subscribing if you love learning about Teslas and other EVs. We also take a lot of road trips on this channel, and there's another one coming pretty soon. Now let's talk about Cybertrucks. So a few weeks ago, Cybertruck prototypes were seen in New Zealand along with Project Highland, where these vehicles were sent there specifically for winter testing. As we all know, Southern Hemisphere gets their winter before us, or after, depends on how you see it. But the question is, why didn't Tesla just wait for winter up here? It shows Tesla is still on track to deliver these Cybertrucks on time and doing everything possible to make that happen. It looks like Cybertruck was put through its paces in all kinds of different winter conditions, and it seems to be handling it pretty well. That turning radius still blows my mind for that size. There are still a lot of things we don't know about Cybertruck, but we recently learned from Q2 earnings call that Cybertruck might actually get the new 4680 battery cell, which has 10% more energy density, which would be a huge advantage considering this thing's size. But we still don't know about a lot of specific information around range, charging curve, and overall battery pack size for different variants. In a leaked video, Cybertruck was seen wrapped to look just like Ford F-150, which is hilarious. Same truck or a different truck with the same wrap was also spotted on the road. I wonder who came up with this idea, but it's absolutely epic. Around the same time, another video leaked with a bunch of Cybertrucks in a warehouse with their fronts open for the first time. And from some angles, it does not appear to be very large or even automatic. Which does make sense because none of the other cars in Tesla lineup have automatic fronts at this point. Personally, I would like to see a larger front because I don't want to fiddle around with truck bed every time I go to a grocery store. But Tesla might have a good reason for a smaller front. Maybe front suspension is taking a lot of room, or maybe there's a different reason. But I would love to see all these answers at the next Tesla event. Because if this is true, F-150 might have a huge advantage over Cybertruck with its larger front. Moving on. Recently, during a drone flyover of Giga, Texas, 9 Cybertrucks were seen hidden under covers. How can you see something if it's hidden? I wonder, is it the shape? No idea what Tesla was planning on doing with these Cybertrucks, but there was another sighting shortly after in Arkansas, where Cybertrucks were being transported via a trailer. One of these Cybertrucks was mysteriously labeled with a tag which said completed crash ready. Same trailer was spotted at several other locations across US, including California, where 9 Cybertrucks were spotted near Fremont factory, which is confusing because we all know Cybertrucks are being produced in Texas. So what are they doing in Fremont? More testing, I guess. Or is it the event? During all of this, there was a hilarious post on CHP Buttonwillow social media page, which said, quote, "While on patrol this morning, one of our units spotted a few car haulers loaded with some strange trucks traveling northbound on I-5. I wonder what they are. I wonder where they are going." End quote. Trust me, we were all wondering where they were going. With Cybertruck sightings all over the place, there was yet another location where Cybertruck was spotted, and it's Iceland, where it seems like it's being filmed by our lead vehicle. I think we need to prepare ourselves for some killer Cybertruck rolling shots. I would love to know what you guys think about all these Cybertruck sightings. Do you think it's finally coming this fall? And for all of you Cybertruck reservation holders, does it get you excited? Or have you made your decision to get a different truck or a different EV perhaps? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.